Learn how to create a customized smart home routine with Alexa to automate daily tasks, control devices, and simplify your life. Open the Alexa app. Ensure you have the Alexa app installed on your smartphone. Open it and sign in if you haven't already. From the app's home screen, tap the More button in the bottom right corner. Select Routines from the menu. Create a new routine. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to start a new routine. Name your routine something easy to remember, like morning routine or bedtime, 10 to 15 seconds. Set the trigger. Choose how the routine will start. You can select voice commands, e.g., Alexa, start my morning routine, a specific time, or a smart device trigger like a motion sensor or door opening. Add actions. Now, choose what Alexa will do once the routine is triggered. You can have Alexa turn on lights, adjust your thermostat, play music, give weather updates, or control other smart devices in your home. Save and test your routine. After adding all your desired actions, tap Save. Once saved, test the routine by saying the trigger phrase or performing the action that starts the routine. Check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching CyberTheo.